Righty guys, as promised, we're doing a little update video today about those 10 broken DS lights I got about a month ago now, I think it was. I've got the screens, so we're just gonna start by cracking on and replacing these 4-type screens first. We're gonna speed run this a bit all at once. Let's crack into that first. Alright, with those all done, we're just going to jump back to the original 6 that I fixed. So I have sold 5 of those now. The 3 black ones, they all sold for 85 each. The pink one, I got 82 for that one. And the white one here that I reshelled, I got 99 for that one. Had to go a bit higher because it was a bit costlier, that shell. And obviously it's pretty mint condition shell. So I've just got a little spreadsheet here which shows, so we've got the 5 listed there that I've sold so far, so they all cost me, that's the price I got for them there, 85 to 82 to 89. They all cost me 15. That's the amount it cost me in parts, so just under $40. The postage costs all up $9.70 each, and then the eBay fees. So there's the profit for each individual one, and at the moment I'm sitting $213 positive after those 5. I've still got these 4 plus the other one to sell now, so I think it's a win overall. I mean, it's not going to make me a millionaire overnight, but that's not why we're doing it. So those screens look a little blue on that angle, but they look all right in person. So we're going to leave it at that today. Nice, quick, easy. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.